I'm out here getting gas at Louisville. Some nice here. So yeah, I'm gonna be actually running to AutoZone, go grab some window tint and do some window tint, not window tint, do some like tail light tinting. I don't know if I want to just do that or just do the spray on tint, but I realized last time I did it, I didn't do it right. So this time I looked at some stuff and trying to go over it a little bit better. But it's still my options open, so I'm gonna try the actual tint and tint it myself and see how that goes. I've tinted my old car years ago and I suck at it, but I'm gonna try it again. Let's see how this goes. Almost done. So I went to Home Depot. Oh no, I went to Lowe's and picked up some fence pickets from the fence, or whatever you call them. Anyways, replace some boards on the fence. I'm gonna go by Walmart and pick up some stuff. Yeah. My worry is if it doesn't fit. Let's find out. I mean, it's gonna hold for now. I mean, it doesn't cause us any problems interfering with my shifting. I'm all good. It was so hot today. I should have just worn shorts, but I wanted to wear pants and get home changing the shorts because it's too hot. Next stop, Walmart. So I actually stopped by AutoZone. I'm actually gonna pick up some stuff here. They didn't have what I'm looking for at Walmart, so I skipped that. So I'm gonna go in and get what I'm looking for and get started. Looking for a certain paint. It is so hot. I can barely just stand in one place without sweating so hard. I've been trying standing outside and it's just sitting. The heat is just unbearable here in Texas. I'm gonna go ahead and take all this off. I'm gonna try my best. I'm pretty sure you're gonna laugh at me, but try my best to tint it. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to have a backup plan where I'm going to try to get the taillights back to being dark. I scrub all the stuff off I did a long time ago, which I really didn't do a good job. So this time I want to, if I do it again, I want to make it look a lot better than it did before. So I'm going to take all this off and get started. So I'm not going to actually do the tinting process. I think this is a little bit much of a pain. I didn't want to go ahead and do it. So I'm going to try it again, do this type of lens. I was looking forward to VHT because I hear so much good things about it, but I guess I'm going to stick with doing this again. This is going to be a second one I'm going to do, see how it's going to look. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and start coating this. And then hopefully this is better than the one I did last time. So I'm going to go ahead and get started coating this. Yeah, flies. Alright. So you want to start off by shaking this for about a good while. So far tinted really good with the little spray. It's actually looking really good. I'm gonna go over it with one more coat, and then I'm gonna go over the clear gloss where it has that nice finishing look. But yeah, looks a lot better. So I'm finally finished with this one. This is looking really good. I'm loving it. Go ahead and get ready to put that on the car. Alright, so I actually finished up. I think it looks really nice. The whole layout, now the whole car looks really good. Has that black. I will leave the link in the description what I put when I used for this one. I got rid of the other can I was going to use, and so I stick with another can. And I will leave it in the description. But yeah, it's nice, sweet ride. Just gotta take your go pick up some stuff and come back home. But again, I got some more stuff coming up in this clubbed up week. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, guys. Peace.